Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Buick Lacrosse key fob. First, find a clean workspace and lay out a small screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Remove the mechanical key by pressing the release, then pry open the fob seam gently. Note clip locations and avoid forcing plastic tabs. Replace the battery with its positive side up, reseal the fob, and test the buttons to confirm operation. Start by removing the mechanical key and set it aside. Insert a flat screwdriver into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves, taking care not to break plastic clips. Note where the circuit board sits and handle it by the edges. Remove the old CR2032 battery straight up and dispose of it properly. Clean the battery contacts with a soft, dry cloth before installing the new battery to ensure reliable connection. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great companion for keeping digital owner manuals and how-to guides handy during repairs. It fits in a glove box and lasts weeks between charges, which is perfect for projects like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the new CR2032 battery in hand, set it into the cradle with the positive side up. Reposition the circuit board so contacts align, then press the two halves together until all clips click into place. Reinsert the mechanical key and test each button for lock, unlock, and trunk functions. If a button is unresponsive, reopen the fob to check battery seating and contact cleanliness. Final checks ensure your fob is ready for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.